Hello everyone, this is Dr. Abhishek Soni from the Department of Pharmaceutics. Today we are going to discuss application of biopharmaceutical classification. The application of biopharmaceutical classification system. First, drug delivery technologies. Class 1 system. The class 1 drug are not those in which either solubility or the permeability is limiting within the target region of the GI tract. As you know or we discussed previously, in the class 1 there we have high solubility and the high permeability, so there is no limitation for the solubility and the permeability for any target region in the GI tract. The drug release in such case can be modulated using a control release technology. Control release technologies of class 1 drug included numbers of product such as macrocaps, micropumps, MODAS, multipores oral drug absorption system, SCOT, single composition osmotic tablet system, microspheres, CONSURF, constant surface area drug delivery, shuttle, Dimatrix diffusion control matrix system, DPHS, delayed postular hydrogel system, DUREDS, dual release drug absorption system, GMHS, granulated modulating hydrogel system, IPDAS, intestinal protective drug absorption system, multipores, pharmazones, microparticles drug delivery technology, BODAS, bioerodible enhanced oral drug absorption system, PRODAS, programmable oral drug absorption system, SODAS, spheroidal oral drug absorption system and solubility modulating hydrogel system, SMHS, and stabilize palate delivery system, SPDS. Now in class second system, we have low solubility and the high permeability. So in this class related to the case in which the solubility or the dissolution rate is limiting, because we have low solubility and high permeability in class second, and thus significantly affect absorption of and bioavailability. The technology under this class include the approaches such as classical micronization, stabilization, high energy state, use of surfactant, emulsion and microemulsion system, solid dispersion, and the use of complexing agents such as cyclodextrin. Technologies under this class include soft gel, osmotic system, nano size carriers such as nanoemulsion, nanosuspension, nanocrystal, and treated as hopeful mean to increase solubility and bioavailability of the poor water soluble active ingredients. And third system. In the third class system, we have a high solubility and low permeability. Manipulating the site and the rate of exposure, or perhaps by incorporating functional agent into the dosage form to modify the metabolic activity of the enzyme system, are included in class third technologies. These technologies under this class include oral vaccine system, gastric retention system, high frequency capsule, and telemetric capsules. And class 4, in this class 4 system, there we have low solubility and the low permeability. Extreme example of the class 4 compound are expectation rather than the rule, and are rarely developed to reach the market, but the number of example of the class 4 drug do exist. For example, furosemide, ritonavir, and taxols. Now second, drug discovery and earlier development. Bioavailability and the bioequivalence play a central role in the pharmaceutical production development, and bioequivalence studies are presently being conducted for a new drug application, which is also known as a NDAS, of new compound in supplementary NDAS for new medical indication and product line extensions in abbreviated new drug application of generic product and in application for scale up and post approval changes. One of the starting problem with applying the BCS criteria to new drug substance is that earlier in pre-formulation or formulation, the dose is not yet accurately known. Therefore, at this point, the dose to solubility ratio can be expressed as likely ranges. Now, third one is pharmacokinetic optimization in drug research. The two parameters of the biopharmaceuticals as solubility and the permeability uh, are of important in the new drug discovery and lead optimization due to dependence of drug absorption and the pharmacokinetic on these two properties. Actually, the BCS is based on that the solubility and the permeability. आके सॉल्बिलिटी कैसी है और परमिलिटी कैसी ड्रग की है, ठीक है, इसी के बेस के आपकी जो न्यू ड्रग डेवलपमेंट है, ठीक है, और जो कोई आपके पास ऑप्टिमाइजेशन हो रही है किसी ड्रग रिसर्च के लिए, वो डिपेंड करेगा. BCS प्रोवाइड अ ड्रग डिजाइनर एंड अपॉर्चुनिटी टू मैनिपुलेट स्ट्रक्चर और फिजिको-केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी टू लीड द कैंडिडेट so as to achieve a better deliverability. Next, in silico prediction and the development of theoretical profile for solubility and the lipophilicity provides structure-based biopharmaceutical optimization, while in vitro experimental models, microtated plates, which is also known as assay plate or plates, and cell cultures validate and the prediction, and so pharmaceutical characterization during the drug design and earlier development help in earlier withdrawal of a new chemical entity with insurable development problems associated with the pharmacokinetic optimization. Thus, the BCS is helpful in optimizing the new chemical entity characteristics and minimize the its chance of rejection. Next is just in silico prediction development of the theoretically profile for the solubility and lipophilicity. Actually ये प्रोवाइड करवाता है क्या स्ट्रक्चर बेस्ड बायोफार्मास्यूटिकल ऑप्टिमाइजेशंस, और साथ साथ आपके पास इन विट्रो जो एक्सपेरिमेंटल मॉडल आपके पास रहते हैं, ठीक है, उसको माइक्रो प्लेट्स जैसे माइक्रोटाइटर्स प्लेट्स भी बोलते हैं, सेल कल्चर्स है, उसके थ्रू हम वैलिडेट कर सकते हैं, प्रिडिक्शन फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. और साथ ही जो बायोफार्मास्यूटिकल जो करेक्टराइजेशंस हैं, ठीक है, एक्चुअली ये जो बायोफार्मास्यूटिकल करेक्टराइजेशन है ये किसी भी ड्रग प्रोसेस एंड द ड्रग डेवलपमेंट और उसकी जो प्रॉपर्टीज़ हैं, ठीक है, वो हाईली इम्पैक्ट करती है उसके जो प्रोडक्ट्स की परफॉर्मेंस पे, एबिलिटी पे टू प्रोसीड, स्टेबिलिटी एंड अपीयरेंस पे. और जो हमारे पास BCS है, ठीक है, वो हेल्पफुल फॉर रहता है फॉर ऑप्टिमाइजेशन ऑफ न्यू केमिकल एंटिटी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स एंड मिनिमाइज इट्स चांस ऑफ रिजेक्शन. तो हमारे पास क्या रहेगा, किसी भी ड्रग का श्योरिटी रहेगा अगर हम इन पैरामीटर्स को फॉलो करते हैं उसके रिजेक्शन से. तो ये आपके पास एप्लीकेशन थी BCS की.